short video this week. Located in the heart of Dubai City's Business Bay area, at exit 47 of Sheikh Zayed Road, is the Dubai Waterfall Bridge. This bridge crosses the Dubai Creek and is illuminated at night. So what, I hear you say. But wait, this bridge has a waterfall at either side, from all the way across the bridge, plunging down into the creek. The waterfall has red, green and blue illumination. As a boat approaches along the creek, the light changes from blue to green and the waterfalls stop, allowing the boat to pass. After the boat has passed through, the lights change from green to red, and soon the waterfall starts again. How cool is that? You can find the bridge by leaving Sheikh Zayed Road at junction 47, which is where the Canal boardwalk is located. There are several restaurants and stalls nearby offering food and drink. You can take canal boat rides as well from the Godolphin Marine Transport Station, ferrying you to other parts of the creek. Or you can simply grab a shawarma and karak tea and then sit together in the evening to watch the bridge illuminations.